A man once ate an entire airplane. His name was Michel Lotito, and he had a medical condition that gave him a super thick stomach lining and incredibly powerful acid. Instead of regular food, he craved metal and glass. Over his lifetime, he ate 18 bicycles, 15 supermarket trolleys, 7 TV sets, and a computer. But his biggest meal was a Cessna 150 aircraft. He cut the plane into tiny pieces and ate it bit by bit over the course of 2 years. By the time he died, he had consumed 9 tons of metal. But here is the craziest part. He could digest metal and glass with no problem, but soft foods like bananas and boiled eggs gave him terrible heartburn. But did you know